In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set pronouns on Discord. This is a quick but meaningful update to your profile that helps others address you correctly across chats, servers, and DMs. I'll walk you through it on both desktop and mobile, explain what to look for, and share a few helpful tips so everything sticks the first time. Start by opening Discord on your computer or your phone. If you're on mobile, make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. On desktop, you can use the app or the browser version. Both work the same for this. Next, head to your account settings. On mobile, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your user panel. On desktop, click the user settings gear icon near your username. This takes you into the place where you control how your profile looks and what information it shows. From here, go to Edit Profile. This is where your display name, avatar, and other details live. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. Now, look for the Pronouns field. If you see it, you're in the right spot. Click or tap into the field and either choose from the suggestions or type your pronouns directly. Keep the format short and clear, using common forms like she, her, he, him, they, them, or a combination that fits you. If you add multiple sets, separate them with commas so they're easy to read. Avoid extra words, punctuation, or sentences. This field is designed to be concise and recognizable at a glance. Once your pronouns look the way you want, save your changes. On desktop, you'll typically see a Save Changes button near the bottom. Click it to confirm. On mobile, look for a save or checkmark option at the top or bottom of the screen. If you navigate away without saving, your updates won't stick, so make sure you see a confirmation or that the button grays out after saving. A few quick notes to wrap up. The Pronouns field, when available, appears on your profile card and helps others see your pronouns without having to ask. If you don't see the Pronouns field in Edit Profile, it may not be available on your account or region just yet. You can check back later as features roll out over time. Also, remember that pronoun roles in servers are separate from this profile field. Those are managed by server moderators and don't replace what you set on your account. That's it. Open Discord, go to Edit Profile, set your pronouns, and save. Simple, respectful, and done.